I think that the emphasis on magnesium today is absolutely exciting for me, and the fact that we keep hearing this, magnesium's the new calcium, but when you really think about it, magnesium is the fourth most abundant mineral in the human body. 50% of it's found in your bone. The other half is in your cells. It's necessary for over 300 biochemical reactions within the body. It fuels digestive enzymes that help effectively utilize carbohydrates, proteins, fats. It's essential for producing ATP, which of course is the energy storage molecules in the body. Muscle relaxation, nerve function. I think that one of the most important ones that most people realize that they're probably deficient is when their sleep is affected. So sleep is a major support, or magnesium is a major support of sleep. Cardiovascular health, immune support, keeps our bones strong and healthy. So I think that the emphasis on magnesium absolutely is critical. And yet at the same time, back in 2000, there was a study that estimated that 68% of Americans were deficient in magnesium. And yet now experts estimate that it could be as high as 80% deficiency in our society. And yet we have to ask the question, how do we stop it? How do we stop this deficiency? And I think that some of the things that cause our deficiencies that we have to probably put our emphasis on is, I think the number one, of course, is soil depletion. And we've talked about that over and over, which of course we have to change our diets, or we have to focus on supplementation. Stress is a huge one. I think that stress is probably one of the most overlooked, undiagnosed health conditions that rob us of our magnesium. Digestive disorders. I think that as our population gets a little bit older, age is definitely why we're seeing deficiencies. Medication use, that's a huge one, along with our choices of beverages that can rob us of of magnesium, which of course is alcohol and coffee. So one thing that we do is that we really emphasize magnesium in our product line. We're the number one selling liquid trace mineral magnesium supplement, along with, and with that, of course, that's done by a third-party SPINS data group. But remember, within our products, you have ionic magnesium delivery systems. We have them in, of course, flavored magnesium, flavored concentrates, trace mineral drops. We have in a serving size 150 milligrams. In our Vita straws, we have a magnesium B6 straw that has 180 milligrams. We have the concentrates trace mineral drops, which has 250 milligrams per serving. We have liquid magnesium, as well as tablets that also have 300 milligrams of magnesium per serving. We also now just introduced a new magnesium pack, which I think is absolutely critical today. It's convenient. It's something that we can throw in our gym bags, our briefcase, our purse, diaper bags. I mean, it's wonderfully transportable. That has 350 milligrams. We also have a Stress X magnesium, which also has 350 milligrams. And then, of course, we have our ionic magnesium and our Mega Mag that you can basically put in everything and anything that you want in a liquid format. That's 400 milligrams. So we try to range it both from all delivery systems, from powders, liquids, and tablets. So whatever whatever you prefer, we hope that, of course, you'll reach out and start addressing that magnesium deficiency. And I think that Trace Minerals Research has a marvelous product line to do so.